So we're going to dive into 5 productivity apps in under 5 minutes that have launched on Product Hunt in the last week. This is the 17th of March edition, and I'm excited to dive into today's feature. So let's have a little look at what's been hot on Product Hunt this week, giving you some of my personal thoughts. So let's start. Number 1, Grammarly Go. Now, another AI feature. I'm sure your Twitter streams have been full of them since GPT-4. It's been an absolute minefield to try and explore. It's ridiculous. Grammarly Go is Grammarly's version of that, and what it does is essentially bring that within the Grammarly function that a lot of people know and love. So naturally, it's going to speed things up because it's already there within some of the text editors that you already use on the web. So really interesting update. They look to be rolling this out. I've done a review on this separately. However, this is naturally something that they want to get in the hands of people, and essentially just uses some of the generative AI abilities. But obviously it's weird because Grammarly have already been using sort of AI in terms of reformatting your text in the past. So it's sort of a natural transition, one that I thought would come a little bit sooner. So the second one is graphy Lite. Now, I actually met with the graphy folk in London when I last went, and it was really interesting to see what they're building here. But what it's trying to do is be a bit more effective in building charts that are more interactive. So you can add like quite minimal amounts of data and it makes quite attractive charts. And it's a really fast way of making charts and making them cool. So I definitely upvoted them, and it was really interesting to see how they built it and how they're progressing as a team. So next up is Camo 2. They're on the second version. I know Camo 1. This is actually upvoted by Chris Messina, who's one of the big followers. And it actually comes from someone that I know called Aidan Fitzpatrick, who created Camo, and obviously their team have expanded out. But what it does is it takes your phone camera and turns it into your web camera. So the high quality camera that you might have on your iPhone 13, 12, even 14, the newer ones, it brings that to life. And what it does, it allows PC and Mac users to do the same. So if you're looking to be a little bit more productive in the sense of, okay, I want to start shooting videos for myself or look more glamorous on calls and you haven't got a big Sony DSLR or something like that, then this is one for you, and it's quite an easy way to do it. Next up is actually one that was launched 2 weeks ago, but I want to go back to it because it's called Tasky, and the application itself is a to-do list app, but it does it in a different way because it does it in flows. So imagine a flow chart following your to-dos throughout the project and what stems off of it. But they've got this cool AI ability that will help you to break down a task, making it more manageable. So a really neat little AI function there. Yet to fully check out Tasky, but an interesting addition. So next up is Miro AI. They've done the ability in Miro to be able to generate and expand on ideas if you select and multi-select them. Really interesting. And also using the ability to explain certain things as well, which is great because like if you're in a team and you want to be able to like summarize a sticky note or something like that somebody's added without any context, then that's quite helpful to be able to get AI inside of Miro. So there are 5 things that were released on Product Hunt this week. I'm sure I'll be back next week, and I look forward to seeing how you guys explore the world of Product Hunt. Thank you very much, folks, and I will see you all very soon. Cheerio.